Welcome to my channel, guys, to everything. Today we're going to learn how you can make 500,000 naira and above having multiple POS channels. Today we're going to learn how you can make 500,000 naira per month, from POS business, if you have multiple channels. Like, once again, you are welcome to the channel. The name of the channel, this YouTube channel, is Guys to Everything. So you are already aware of POS business, because this is for people that are already in the business. The video is for those people who are already in the business. We want to let you know how you can make more money with the POS business. If you have a POS channel, this video is to tell you that you can have more channels, multiple channels to make more money. If you have a channel and that channel you are making 100,000 naira monthly, you can have additional channels that can enable you now to be making approximately 500,000 naira and above monthly. Let's say, for example, that I have a POS 1, POS channel 2, 3, 4, 5, and above. You can be making each of them. You can be making not less than 100,000 naira monthly. So the second POS channel, you can also make the same amount of 100, and so on. So the more channel you have, the more money you make. Though it require you to invest some money for you to be making such kind of money monthly. So, but if you look at the economy of Nigeria today, if you go and fix your money in the bank, the return on that investment is very poor. If you want to buy treasury bills, you want to buy bonds and all that, it takes you a longer time for you to make money from such an investment. So the best place to put your money is this kind of investment, investing in POS channels that can enable you now to make more money monthly. You might say, how can I do? I got a message on one of my channel, one of my videos, on POS. The person was asking me, how can I manage these channels? How do you manage these POS channels? Yes, if you are using for example, now your POS is from a bank. For example, a bank give you the POS you are using. You can ask for more. They can give you. They only look at the turnover of what you are making for them. You ask for more POS. They will give you more. Then they want to expand more branches, or the POS, they will provide you with the POS machines. So it is required of you now to do what? To open more kiosk for the business. And how can you manage it? You can tell the bank to create a sub account. You have an account, in that same, you can create sub account for you. Account 1, account 2, account 3, account 4, account 5, and so on. They can create it for them. Each of them now will be attached to each of the POS. Each of the accounts created for you by the banks will be attached to each of the POS. And you also invest in building the kiosk. I will also recommend you using, if you don't have money, you can use the wooden kiosk, but I recommend the aluminum kiosk for you. You have to build them in a cluster, an area where it's accessible to you, where you can easily go deliver the money that you use for each day and all that, so that you will not stress yourself. You can go in the morning, drop the POS and the cash in each of the locations. So it should be in a cluster and the area which is being dominated by you. And also, if it's possible, you can also brand your POS. Like you see banks, they brand their banks. For example, now if you see blue, you'll be talking about First Bank. If you see orange, you're talking about GT Bank. If you see red, you're talking about UBA Bank and all that. So that's why all these banks are branded. So you can also brand your own channel, your own POS channels, so that at least they will know it is owned by so person. You can give it a name, that everybody will know that, oh, this is yours. So you can do that, have multiple channels, and each of the channels you monitor them. Since all of them have an bank account attached to them, you'll be able to know what each of them, the revenue each of them are generating for you every day. So that will enable you now to, at the end of the month, let's say, for example, channel 1 is generating 5,000 every day, channel 2 6,000, channel 3 7,000. At the end of the day, you sum them. You will see what you are making every day. You could be making 50,000 naira every day from let's say have 5 channels or 10 channels. So depending on how the turnover is, and in a month you'll be smiling to the bank, because in the month you're making over 500,000 naira from each of them. Like here now, let's say, for example, this is your this cursor is your channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, channel 5, channel 6, and all of them are different channels, and each of these one are attached to your bank account, different bank accounts under the same bank. there are different sub accounts under the same bank. You could see, you'll be able to know, but once you log into your internet banking, you'll be able to see everything you are doing in one window, or the internet banking or your app. You see everything that you are doing, so that's why it is. So I encourage you, if you have more money to invest, as you are making money from one POS you have, just start thinking on how to open another channel. And as you open another channel, you fund that channel, and you're making more money. So because of competition in the business these days, so it's better for you now to have more than one channel, because there's a lot of competition. Based on this video I've created so far, many people are already in the business, but competition should be healthy. So you have to make sure that you have a very good network. Like I've been saying in my previous videos, you can go and watch other videos that I've created on this subject. Because you have a very good network, other people are failing. Like recently now, during this Salah period, you could see almost all the OPS in the city are down. But if you are your own, if you have a very good network and people can withdraw from you keep your customers. So that's why I encourage you to have multiple POS for you to have multiple profits. So with this kind of idea I've given to you, I know you'll be raking lots of profits every day, every week, and every month. So I believe this tutorial is clear. If you have any question or comment, do not forget to use the comment box below to ask your questions, and I assure you within one day you get a response from us. If you have any question regarding on how you can make more money with POS, just let us know. We are ready to answer your questions. Even the best network to use, the best POS to use, the best location, we can also address those ones. So we encourage you as a Nigerian, as a person, to do what, to go into business these days, because the economy is not looking good. So but with us, all of us now being enterprising, having one business or the other, doing things will turn around for us for good. Thanks for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, to everything. Subscribe, share the video with your loved ones. Let us also know this business is not for one person. Don't hide the idea. Don't keep the idea to yourself alone. That's why we are sharing it, so everybody can know that yes, you can make money from it. It's not an illegal business. It's a good business. You can do. It's a legitimate business, and it's approved by Central Bank of Nigeria, so it's not fraudulent. So we advise you now to be part of this business, and you see how financially things will turn around for you and your family. So share it with your friends, share with your colleagues, share with your family, and let everybody now be part of what is going. This is a new dawn in Nigeria, so be part of what is going on. Subscribe to it, and I know you will be smiling to the bank. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification button, so that whenever we upload more videos concerning this POS business or other businesses that I want to be sharing with you, you'll be able to get update in your mail inbox. So subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, share the video, share it, make your comments, subscribe to the channel, make your comments, and we thank you for watching. So if you have any comment, just any issue you need us to address on POS business, let us know. We are ever ready to help you to address them. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. God bless you. Bye.